First, I'm going to show you how to make commonly used consistencies of royal icing. I'm going to be using Wilton's pre-made royal icing. Here, you have your first consistency, which is really stiff and should form stiff peaks when removing your spoon from the icing. This is good for gingerbread house glue and designs such as clouds that need texture. Next is what I like to call toothpaste consistency. This icing should form soft peaks when removing your spoon from the icing. This is good for writing as well as borders to hold flood icing. The final consistency is flood icing. You know that you've reached a good consistency once you remove your spoon and the icing starts to dissolve into itself within a couple seconds. Now I'm going to show you how to get to each consistency, starting from the most stiff. You want to add water a teaspoon at a time to ensure that you don't overthin your icing. You want to stir really well, then add more water as needed. Once you've reached toothpaste consistency, you will add more water as needed until you reach flood consistency. Remember, you'll know once you reach a good flood consistency because the icing will start to dissolve back into itself within a couple seconds. And that's how you make commonly used royal icing consistencies.